I'm feeling trapped down on the floor. I don't know what for. Feels like I'm gonna lose.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Tara. I asked in the last video what you'd like to see next, and you guys are really interested in more Instant Pot recipes. So that's what we're gonna be making today. And it really could not get any simpler. As an oncology nurse working in a very hectic infusion center, also in grad school for my nurse practitioner, I know all about being so busy you barely have time to eat, let alone think about if it's healthy. This recipe has got you covered. We're gonna be making an incredibly juicy and delicious chicken, and we're making the whole chicken. That's right, we're putting the entire chicken inside of this Instant Pot. It could not get any easier than this. It's great for meal prepping, it's great for when you get home from work, and you guys are gonna absolutely love it. Before we get started, if you have not already, I would love for you to be a part of this community. You do that by hitting the red subscribe button below, and be sure to hit the bell icon, that way you're notified each time I post a new video. Okay guys, let's hop right into the video. This recipe really could not get any simpler. I have a chicken here. This is about 4.5 to 5 pounds. I've rinsed it off and I'm patting it dry really well because I'm gonna apply a dry rub to this. So I'm using some garlic powder. This is roasted garlic powder, so it has a lot more intense flavor. I really like it. I'm using some basil, some onion powder, and some salt and pepper. And I'm just gonna rub this into both sides, basically all over the chicken. Of course, my hands are washed. This is gonna give this chicken a lot of flavor. So now I'm grabbing the Instant Pot. I have some avocado oil here. It's heated up on saute on high, and I'm basically just browning all sides of the chicken. This probably took me maybe about 4 minutes to do every side of the chicken that I could manage to stuff down into the bottom of the pot. This is really gonna give a lot of flavor to it. If you wanna skip this step, you can, but I highly recommend utilizing the saute function here. So I'm just doing my best to brown all sides of this chicken. And all of those delicious browned bits on the bottom of this Instant Pot are gonna produce such amazing flavor. So I'm using about a cup of filtered water and some Better Than Bouillon chicken, and I'm just putting it right in there. You can use chicken stock if you don't have this. You can even just use water, but this really gives it a lot of flavor. You wanna make sure you get all of the burned bits off of the bottom of the pan. That way you don't get that burn signal. And now I put the trivet in there, put the chicken on top, make sure that my silicone ring is on. We're gonna place the lid on, set this to high pressure for 30 minutes, and then we're gonna allow a natural release for 10 minutes. It's really important to allow for at least 10 minutes of natural pressure before doing a quick release. This will ensure that your chicken is perfectly moist and absolutely delicious. So now, using my wooden spoon so I don't burn my hand, I'm just pushing that down just to get any last pressure out, and once that pin drops, you are good to open it. Wow, look at this. This chicken is cooked absolutely perfectly. So I'm carefully removing it from the Instant Pot. And I'm gonna place this on a foil-lined pan, and I'm actually gonna stick this onto the broiler for 5 minutes to crisp it up. This is optional, but I highly recommend it. So now we're gonna work on the sauce. I've made a cornstarch slurry. I've turned my Instant Pot to saute again, and I'm adding this in, and I'm stirring it up really, really well. You don't have to do this, but if you wanna add a sauce, it's really nice to thicken it up just a little bit. A whisk works a lot better than a spoon. I decided to add a little bit more of a cornstarch slurry just to make it a little bit thicker. This sauce will naturally thicken when it's placed in the fridge also, so keep that in mind. There, that's just about perfect. This sauce has such incredible flavor. So now I'm gonna cut into this chicken. I'm literally cutting right through the bone with a knife that is not even very sharp. That is how tender and incredibly juicy this chicken is. You guys are gonna absolutely love this recipe. It's so incredibly easy to make, fast to make, only 30 minutes, great for meal prepping. What did you think of today's video? I can't wait to hear what you guys think of it. Drop me a comment below and let me know what video you would really like to see next. If you like today's video and you want to see more like it, be sure to hit that like button and share this video with your friends, your family, your coworkers, or anyone else that you know that is interested in healthy but delicious recipes. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.